Do you have any artworks, canvases, or frames hanging up in your house, and every time you open or close a door or just cause vibrations by walking around your house, your canvas and artwork shake and make a rattling noise? If so, I'm gonna give you 3 simple solutions that fixes that right away. Simple solution number 1 is alien tape. All alien tape is, it's this really strong clear adhesion tape that you can get from any basic website out there. While alien tape claims that it can hold artworks and frames on the wall, I wouldn't recommend it for that, but it's great for making artworks, canvases, and frames more secure to the wall so they don't make any noise, shake, or rattle. All you need to do is just cut off a nice square and put it on the inside railings or the corners of your artwork or canvas that will be touching the wall. Now push firmly here for about 15 seconds to 30 seconds so there's a strong connection. And when you pull away, your canvas, artwork, or frame will now be secure to your wall and will no longer shake, rattle, and roll. If you're looking for more of a multitasker, simple solution number 2 is 3M Command Velcro strips. These are fantastic and they work in the exact same way as alien tape. All you have to do is cut them in half or cut them into a nice square, put them in the corners or on the railings that will be touching the canvas and the wall. Push firmly and securely so that way the adhesion sticks to the canvas and the wall, but also the Velcro grabs each other. Be here for about, again, 15 to 30 seconds, and when you pull away, your artwork, frames, and canvas will be secure in place and there will no longer be any noise. I really like these the most because they're more of a multitasker. However, the alien tape, since it is clear, when you put it on the inside railing or corners, you don't see it as much when you look at your canvas or artwork or frame from an angle. So keep that in mind when you make your decision. Oh man, it's hot. Another reason I really love command strips is if you know that you're going to move or you have to clean up the room where your artwork is hanging, these are really easy to take off the wall. They come off cleanly due to the tab that you can pull down on and it leaves no residue. Another reason I love these is I know for a fact as long as you're hanging lightweight artwork or lightweight canvases and frames, this can hold the entire thing provided you use enough Velcro strips and it looks nice and clean and slick on your wall. In fact, that's what I do for some of my artworks here. Simple solution number 3 is using basic furniture pads of a color that'll match your artwork, frame, or canvas. The nice thing about furniture pads, they're extremely affordable and you can find a bunch of different sizes that are gonna fit your style or artwork. Now, the only bad thing about furniture pads is it's more of a dampener of sound rather than a fix-all like our first 2 solutions, but they are great because I do think they look a little more professional on a framed piece of artwork because you can get a color and style that'll match and it'll be pretty much seamless. But if you have anything that's gonna make a lot of noise or rotate or shift on your wall, these 2 first solutions are probably the way to go. Oh man, it's hot, and I'm glad I can give you 3 awesome solutions that'll fix all the noise in your house coming from your artwork that's shaking or moving on your walls. If you need any more help with anything artwork related or perhaps how to get into art, you know what to do. Go down below, smash that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment on what you want to see on this channel. I have to go cool off because man, I am glistening right now. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you all later. Take care and of course, peace.